Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to completely delete a WordPress website in 2 steps. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to delete your WordPress website. First of all, you have to open your cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel dashboard, here you have to search for File Manager. Open File Manager. Once you are in your File Manager, here you have to search for your website folder where you installed WordPress. If you installed WordPress in your main domain, then go to the public_HTML folder. Now, here scroll down and search for wp-config.php file. Now, just select the file and click on edit. Again, click on edit. And here we have to find out our WordPress website database and database user. So scroll down and here you will find DB name. This is my WordPress website database name. Now go back to your cPanel. And now we have to delete the database and database user first. So to do that, on your go to your cPanel and scroll down and open MySQL database. And here scroll down and here under current database you have to search the specific database where you installed your WordPress. So I'm going to copy so here's my database name. So this is the database. Delete the database. Delete. Now let's look at my database username. So this is my username. Going back from here. Now here scroll down and come to this current user section and here search for the database username. Just delete the user. Once you successfully deleted your WordPress database and database user, go back to your file manager again, and now all you have to need, select any file from here and click on select all. And now we will delete all WordPress files from our domain. Click on delete and click on confirm. Once successfully deleted, I'm going to reloading my WordPress website. And as you can see, my WordPress site has been successfully deleted. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.